Go ahead.
I like to, but I'm going to give you all that. You know, you're studying now in that chapter. In the next chapter, it reads the 17th chapter, will explain a lot what the 13th chapter says too. If you read the 17th, the answer is in some of that in the 17th chapter. You know, that's think about the great whore. You don't know who whore is. What that great whore is think about government. You know what? Mm-hmm. So what? John saw something. You know, man, he really saw something.
Revelation 17 chapter.
Yes.
And there came one of the 7 angels which had 7 vials, and talked with me, saying unto me, Come hither, I will shew unto thee the judgment of the great whore that sitteth upon many waters.
How old is that? The red horse, that's thinking of governments. Go ahead now. The government. Go ahead.
With whom the kings of the earth had committed fornication, and the inhabitants of the earth have been made drunk with the wine of her fornication. So he carried me away in the spirit into the wilderness, and I saw a woman sit upon a scarlet-colored beast, full of names of blasphemy, having 7 heads and 10 horns. And the woman was arrayed in purple and scarlet color, and decked with gold and precious stone and pearls, having a golden cup in her hand, full of abomination and filthiness of her fornication. And upon her forehead was a name written, Mystery Babylon the Great, the mother of harlots and the abomination of the earth. And I saw the woman drunken with the blood of the saints, and with the blood of the martyrs of Jesus. And when I saw her, I wondered with great admiration. And the angel said unto me, Wherefore didst thou marvel? I will tell thee the mystery of the woman, and of the beast that carried her, which had the 7 heads and 10 horns. The beast that thou sawest was and is not, and shall ascend out of the bottomless pit, and go into perdition. And they that dwell on the earth shall wonder, whose names were not written in the book of life from the foundation of the world, when they behold the beast that was, and is not, and yet is. And here is the mind which had wisdom. The 7 heads are the 7 mountains on which the woman sitteth.
Muslim brothers visiting.